How to change store location on Doordash. So here's what we want to do. Load up the Doordash app and I'm going to explain how this works. So basically it chooses the store which has the highest rating and which isn't as busy. So this is going to determine which store you will receive your purchase from. So if you want to change your store, then here what you can do is you can change your address. But of course, if you're getting food delivered to your home address, you can't change it. But for example, if you're ordering for food and say you are located somewhere else, here if you change your address to a different one, then it is going to choose a store which is closer to it, which has a higher rating ratio and which isn't as busy. So that's basically how you do it. You change your own address if you're located somewhere else, and this is going to also change the store which is closer to you and has a higher rating. Hope this makes sense. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.